Hi, my name is Roberto, stated with the Sata Law Firm, where we provide personalized solutions to your legal matters. And today I want to talk to you about holographic wills. What is a holographic will? Well, that is a will that is completely handwritten. It's dated and signed by the testator. So, a lot of times attorneys say that you have to get a formal will done, and while it's a good idea to do so, it's not a requirement. And so I've actually probated holographic wills in the past, and it does its purpose. It serves its purpose from the standpoint of if you want to give it to an individual, then it does what it's intended to do. However, as an attorney, I also know that there's a lot of negatives that can come out of a holographic will. So a will that I looked at just this week, it did not name all the children. And what happens in that situation, those children that were not named are entitled to get an intestate share. So if you've got 3 kids and you want to cut 2 of them out and give it all to one, you should name all your kids and then say you want to give it to the one. And that's not what happened in this will. It gave it to just the one individual. And so these children that were left out are going to have the opportunity to get their intestate share. And these are some of the things that as attorneys we want to advise our clients to make sure that they're fully protected and that their wishes, their testamentary wishes, are carried out in the way they intend. And so, but if you ever hear of a holographic will, that's what it is. Again, the three items are: it's completely handwritten. It cannot have any pre-typed verbiage on the document. It's signed by the testator and it's dated, and that's all that's needed. And while it's not very common, I do see them enough that it is a solution. So if you have questions about holographic wills or just estate planning and wills in general, be sure to give us a call here at Sata Law Firm. And until the next time, we'll see you then. Thanks.